So what we need for this activity is this plastic box and emulsion paint budget, okay, and the paint brush and fabric for the colors and white color, okay. So let's first of all I'll do paint on this red emulsion, okay. First of all, sorry for the noise, my baby is playing, so you have to bear it. Then I start painting it like this, okay. Yes. You'll have to paint it whole, and if you think first layer is thin, then you can apply second layer, but let it dry first. Like this we have to do whole, okay. So guys, as you can see, I've painted completely, but I think I'll do one more coat of this. So I can see the white part, white plastic. So after 15 minutes, let it dry for 15 minutes under sun or fan, and after that I'll paint it again, okay. So guys, देखिए इसका जो फर्स्ट कोट आई डिड वो ड्राई हो गया, ठीक है. अब विल स्टार्ट डूइंग द सेकंड कोट एंड इट विल लुक लवली. See this. We'll have to do like this, okay. And this is very glossy, na? It is looking so lovely. And when it dries, na, it gives us a matte look, you know. Yeah, like this. See this, like this, okay. Let me paint it first. So second coat is also done, and now I'll keep it for 10 to 15 minutes to dry, okay. So guys, see, मैंने एक बेस लाइन ले ली है, ठीक है. बेस लाइन आप भी कर लीजिएगा, लगा लीजिएगा नीचे, ठीक है. इसमें लाइन बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि तो डिज़ाइन ना थोड़ा उल्टा पुल्टा हो जाता है, गड़बड़ हो जाता है. सो ये मेरा फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट है डब्बा बॉक्स पर बनाने का के लिए. मैंने आई हैव पेंटेड ऑन पॉट एंड ऑन बोर्ड्स, ठीक है, ओके. सो ये सेकेंड लाइन जो मैंने ली है, इसको ये जस्ट हाफ इंचेस दिया है. कैन सी दिस हाफ. सो आई टेक half inches. I'll mark on half inches. This is half inch, and second one will be half. So I'm thinking to draw the lines on the gap of half inches. Okay, we'll have to do this. It is very much time take. Guys, see, I started painting. Actually मेरा मोबाइल स्विच ऑफ हो गया था, बैटरी लो थी, सो ओके मुझे स्टार्ट करना पड़ा. सॉरी फॉर दैट. सो देखिए, सबसे पहले मैंने क्या किया, जो बेस लाइन ली थी उसमें बस ये गोल 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 मैंने बनाया है, ठीक है ना, ओके. एंड आफ्टर दैट मैंने इसके ऊपर ये अगेन ऐसे ऐसे बनाया. कैन सी दिस. तो यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि कितना गैप पर ये लेना है हमको बड़ा वाला. सो मैंने एक्चुअली आई हैव सम एक्सपीरियंस, तो मैंने तो ऐसे ही ले लिया. बट आप ये छोटा छोटा जो इसमें सर्कल्स डाल रहे हैं, हाफ डाल रहे हैं, ठीक है. आप ये देख लीजिएगा, थ्री हाफ्स 1 2 3. आफ्टर 3 फिर एक बड़ा बनाइए, फिर काउंट कीजिए 1 2 3, फिर आफ्टर 3 एक और बनाइए, फिर काउंट कीजिए 1 2 3 एंड एक और बनाइए, ठीक है. उसके ऊपर मैंने क्या कर रही हूँ, उसके ऊपर आई एम देखो ड्राइंग अ लाइन, सिंपल थिंग. अभी आपको ड्राइंग करके दिखाती हूँ. एक्चुअली दीज थिंग्स टेक टाइम, सो मैं फॉरवर्ड कर देती हूँ थोड़ा वीडियो को ना, प्लीज डोंट माइंड. So I want grid for this, okay. Wait. Yes, you can see this, right? So we'll draw like this, yes. And अगर थोड़ा बहुत हिल जाता है तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. I'm not that perfect, मैं भी perfect नहीं हूँ. Like this, okay. Like this and like this, yes. So this mandala art. मंदना आर्ट, सॉरी, ये मेरी रश्मि मैम है, रश्मि आचार्य, उनसे मैंने सीखा है. शी इज़ वेरी गुड इन आर्ट, यू नो. शी नोज ईच एंड एवरी पेंटिंग. शी इज़ एक्सपर्ट. लास्ट ईयर शी टॉट अस. शी इज़ अ ग्रेट टीचर. शी लव माई वर्क. माइन पेंटिंग वॉज हर फेवरेट दैट टाइम. So guys, see this. We'll have to draw like this. I'll have to pause, okay. So see this, I have completed. It is looking so nice, right? And now it's time to, you know, draw another design, and I'm keeping it simple so that everyone can make it, you know, okay. I'm not that expert, and even I also want simple designs. So guys, see this. You can see I have, you know, half inch पर मैंने lines को डाला हुआ है. See this, it is getting blur. See this, half inch पर डाला हुआ है, उसी के गैप पर मैं बना रही हूँ, ठीक है. आपको ऐसे ही करना है, तभी डिज़ाइन परफेक्ट बनेगा. एंड इफ़ यू आर एक्सपर्ट इन दिस आर्ट, सो यू कैन ड्रॉ इट. सो विल check like this, do it like this. So I'll do on 1 2 3 gaps पर I'm making it, okay. Yeah, yes, like this, okay. So again 1 2 3 गैप पर हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं. 1 and 3, right? Again count it, 1 2 3. 3. You can see this. ये 1 2 3 3 गैप पर हमने बनाया है, ओके. सो सी दिस, नाइस. हाँ, और साथ साथ हम यार इस पर एक और लाइन लगाते चलते हैं. लाइक दिस, yes. This and this, and like this. Okay, it is looking nice. Yeah. So guys देखिए, अब मेरे पास इधर ही 1 2 3 4 5 ये 5 हाफ सर्कल्स बचे हैं, ठीक है. सो मैंने क्या किया है, फिर इसको मुझे 2.5 लेना पड़ा, 1 2 and half this. ओके, यू कैन डू ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है कि क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना. थोड़ी सी चेंजेस वी कैन डू. ये देखिए, हाफ वी हैव and we will make like this and this. So my this third one is 1 2 3, third one is ready. You can see this how smart it is looking. Right, now let's think. I have to fill this area. Let me think first what I have to do. I got to know what I have to do. Look at this, what I did. छोटा सा I made छोटा सा loop. ये देखिए, छोटा सा I made. Let's fill it up first. I made it like this, like this, and now we have to do. It's so simple. 1 2 3 and 4. Hope you are getting what I'm trying to do. Okay, and let me fill all these. These things take time. This is the last one I'm making. See this again. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, see, it is beautiful. Yes, this is beautiful. Thank you. Okay, now draw a line to make this design separate, like this. Like this, you can see. We will draw one more line along with this, like this. If you want, you can draw a rough line along with this, but it takes so much time, so I can do it without. See, we have drawn line, and it is okay. Yes, it's fine. Now we will draw very thin like this. I'm using number 0 brush. Okay, we'll make like this, and this. So let me complete it, then I'll show you. So guys, this design is also done. Let's move forward for another one. Okay, see this. मैं आपके सामने ये वाला पैटर्न बना रही थी. Yes, I have completed it, and उसके बाद मैंने एक और बना दिया है. जैसे हमने पहले ये बड़ा बनाया था, ये वाला टेम्पल डिज़ाइन, अब उसको मैंने छोटा कर दिया है. मैंने अप्रॉक्स 1 2 3 4 5 के गैप पर मैंने ये छोटे छोटे टेम्पल्स बनाए हैं, ठीक है, like this. Okay, look forward. I am filling it like this, big one temple. Okay, so let me show you how to do it. then you will see बताया नहीं था. So पहले एक छोटा सा डॉट लगाएंगे, उसके ऊपर उसकी बाउंड्री कर देंगे, फिर वन स्ट्रेट लाइन लाइक दिस, इधर से ही एक और लाइन, देखिए, इधर से ही एक और लाइन, इधर से एक और लाइन, इधर से एक और लाइन, इधर से एक और, इधर से एंड दिस, ठीक है, एंड लाइन लाइक दिस, दिस 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 एंड दिस and this. Okay, yes, I'm showing one more to you. So dot, then boundary, then a middle line, and इसी से टच करते हुए ये लाइन कर देना है. नो नीड टू काउंट कितने हैं, जितने आ जाए, ठीक है, लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस, लाइक दिस. थोड़ा बहुत मोटा हो जाता है तो ठीक है, इट्स ओके, लाइक दिस, like this. Okay, थोड़ा बहुत तो हो सकता है, ठीक है. Okay, now let me complete it. See this, I completed. I was doing this now it's time to fill this one. Only is to I'm going to put straight lines, nothing else. Okay, so see you soon. So guys, moving forward, see this, I have finished it till here. Now first of all, I'm drawing a line over here. Okay, this time the difference between the design, this and this line, is 1 inch. Okay, 1 inch. not half, and we have taken half inch difference, but this time it is 1. Keep it in mind. And first I'll finish it. So I want to share one trick with you all, is that as like this line is finished over here, okay, so we'll have to repeat it from here. Yes, from back. Got it? See this. You can't see any, you won't be able to know from where I finished and from where I started. So this is why I'm saying start it from back. So guys, I have drawn 2 lines. Okay, we'll have to draw 2 lines. Now let's start making design. Guys, see this, how to make this, just for idea. Make a dot over here. Okay, and now join the lines. Make it slow, no need to go fast. Okay, and now dot over here. Actually my box is a little bit curvy, so it is making some differences, and now a line over here. Okay, now a line over here. Okay, you have to make like this. So guys, you can see this, we have made V-shaped design. So I did outline of it. Okay, 2 lines, you can see this. Now I'll add design in it. Guys, we have to make this. Okay, let's a dot, cover it like this, and one more time like this. Okay, let's see one more time, a dot, okay. First complete it like this, then we will do some more design on it. Okay, see this, I have made it. Okay, now from other side we have to do the same thing. Okay, like this dot, then a circle, then another circle. Okay, like this. See this, I've done these circles on the both sides. Okay, and now I'll fill them. I'll show you some. See this, this is very pretty. Yeah, so let's make, so this is so simple. See, I have to make it like this. Okay, and like this, like this, like this, and this. Okay, got it? Yay! So my one line is complete, and looking forward to complete it in the above one. Okay, I'll show you. See this, how beautiful these lines are looking. So more than half is complete, and it's time to sleep. I'm feeling sleepy. Time is 1. So see you. See this guys, मैंने ये डिज़ाइन बनाया इसके बाद सेम एज दिस लोअर वन. ओके, बिकॉज मुझे अच्छा लगा था इसलिए मैंने बना दिया. अब नाउ आई विल मेक न्यू डिज़ाइन ऑन इट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी ड्रॉ द लाइन. Okay guys, what we have to do, we will have to make triangles, small triangles. I'm doing it without stencil, you can draw them. Okay, like this. I'm complete. Let me complete, then I'll show you. See this, you'll have to draw triangles like this. Okay, so let's fill them. So see, what we have to do is now we have to draw horizontal lines like this. 1 2 3 4. And again I'm saying is no need to count how many lines I have drawn. It is according to space. It's according to space. Okay, like this. Okay, first let me complete. See this guy, I made this. Okay, it's time to fill this part, and we don't have to do anything. It's quite easy. Is to do, sorry for that. Is to do this. Got it? You have to do this. Okay. So guys, देखिए, I have completed this with the horizontal lines and the slant lines in above triangle, and after that I have drawn a line. Okay, so let's make this one. So guys, see this, I have drawn a line. Okay, you can see this, and the difference is now 1 inch, not half, 1 inch. Okay, so guys, look here, I have drawn 2 lines, 1 and 2. Okay, I'll tell you why, and the design we will make like this. Okay, yes, so see this, how to make this design. It is quite simple, not any rocket science in it. See this, yes, this, and this. Okay, like this we have to make. See this, it's a none. Okay, got it. मैंने आपको बताया था कि आई हैव ड्रॉन अ लाइन अबव दिस लाइन, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, इसलिए बोला था लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए. सी दिस, नाउ वी हैव टू लाइक दिस. ओके, डोंट मेक सो मच थिन लाइन. इसका जो होने का जो ग्लो आता है वो थोड़ा सीक्वेंस में आता है. ओके, सो गाइस, सी दिस, I made a boundary of it. I'm sorry for the rhyme. My baby is small. I can't help it. Okay. So guys, see this. What we have to do? We have to do this, and this is very simple. We have did it before. So what we have to do is to make straight line. Okay. Let us do one more. Make it like this. Okay, okay, and we have to put dots this way. So guys, see, this is looking nice. It is looking like lotus, and this dot area is also looking nice. So I want to show you it again. So first of all, I have did this, then the lining part, then the stencil part, then this, then this, then this, then half inch, then thoda sa half, then 1 inch I have taken it. See, this dibba is it's looking so nice now, right? So we can reuse such dibbas like this, painting or pasting some things. Don't throw them on the roads or in garbage. This makes the environment bad. So reuse and recycle things. Thank you.